I'm gonna be playing Summer Splash Death Run. My first Death Run this season, I think. Wait, Shushin, is this my first Death Run this season?
No, you've done another Death Run.
I knew that. That's so hard. Okay, I'm in. Okay, guys, we'll see you when it starts, which I don't know when it is, but I'll see you when it starts. So, peace out at that time. Oh no, hang on. Oh, I did not know I had shockwaves. Oh no, I'm a noob at Deathruns. Remember that, Shushin. Why I can't hit the barrier? People already on the other. Oh, you're supposed to hit the top part. I know what you have to do now. Oh, Shushin? Okay, we need to stop this so far. I'll see you when I can finish it. Oh, jeez. This is gonna be... Got it. OMG! I did not know that I was gonna do that. Got that. Just pretend that did not happen.
I'm level 12 now.
I'm so good. How do you know what level you're on?
I'm shooting everyone.
How am I supposed to do this?
What? Why did I walk?
How is this possible? I'm doing this at the right time. Thanks. I'm the baddest boy right now.
No, kid.
I hate this. Oh man. Oh man.
I'm gonna lost the jump.
Oh my god, where are you? Where are you? Oh, I see. Oh my god, I hate this bullshit.
The shulker level 7 power.
This is impossible.
Look, so is it, are you up to the impulse one?
No, I'm actually stick with the wall thing you're doing.
It's so easy.
Everything's so hard on this.
Jump. I'm definitely going to wait till we get up to level 12. Even harder than the when you're doing. No.
I got the technique. You don't have to do it. Jump the other one. No, I was so close.
I'm auto roper. No, it's ending. 21. I need to.
I'm about to rage quit this game. I'm about to say the F word right now. Okay, let's try another game.
Wait, did you return to lobby?
Nope.
I didn't.
Okay, I'll return to lobby. It's running.
Don't return to lobby.
Why? Okay, ready up. Ready up. Nah, I quit this.
I accidentally went to lobby.
Yeah, I went to lobby. Just do creative. Do other Deathruns. I quit this Deathrun. I quit.
Wait,
I'll see you guys until we get the Deathrun.
Do you want to be crank?
Okay, we started the game. We changed us to 1v1. Okay, we're doing changing us to 1v1, okay? Christian, okay?
Okay, look. Wait. Okay, and now? Start.
I haven't even picked my loadout yet. And people are already starting. I haven't even picked it up! Mommy!
Oh, turn.
Choose.
Okay.
Choose.
Bruh.
This is actually unfair for other people, but who cares? Choose. Is that your crank? There's no way that's your crank.
That is my cranking. That literally is my cranking.
Okay, do you want to see my dumb, stupid crank?
Why, you want me to do it again? You want me to crank again?
Yeah. Let's see my crank compared to yours. Okay, I am very bad for some reason. I'll say this is cranking. Is this a good one? Or do you think it's a bad one? You like it?
I will see. I gotta break the bill, but you get in front of it. That's my cranking. Right there.
Oh no, someone's on me. Was that you? Jushin, why did you kill me?
You broke it.
You broke mine.
And do you want to 1v1, but I can only use hunting rifle?
No. A 1v1 that you can only no builds. Okay? Okay, start.
Okay, fine. No build. Apply to no build.
You can't build.
I didn't build. Fine, then we'll build it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, no, we have to start here, remember? Only I can build though. So it's technically you staying in one spot.
Yeah. Okay.
Go to the other. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yikes! Did you no scope me? Wait, you use a hunting rifle. Wait, pause. I'm using a hunting rifle. Pause. If you kill me, that doesn't count as a limb.
3.
No, where's the hunting rifle?
It's over here.
Oh, there's a hunting rifle. Stop.
3,
Ah!
2. Come on, reset build. Wait, first we need to reset.
You do it.
Okay. 3.
Ain't no building.
Okay. You can't do it. 3, 2.
What do you have it at it?
Oh, headshot. Get headshotted. Okay, again. Another round. Stop.
You're hacking right now. You're hacking me. You're hacking me right now.
Fine, you.
You're hacking me. You're hacking me. No, you're hacking.
Sir, I'm not hacking.
You're hacking. Stand still then. Stand still. If I can't shoot you. Yeah, you're hacking.
I tagged him 100. No.
That's what you get for hacking. Wait. You hacking. That's what you get for hacking.
Fine, you want me to stop hacking?
See, you hacking. I shot your arm. Everybody here is hacking, including you.
No. Oh, okay.
Now. Okay, just wait. Okay, see you later. Peace, double peace, deadlock, bye. Yeah. Oh wait, what just happened?